Welcome back to Modern Retro Gal. My name's JL, in case you're new to my channel or you just forgot because it's been so long since I uploaded. Sorry about that. I had kind of a crazy health scare, I guess. I will kind of get more into that in another video. The short of it is I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, and it was sort of like not expecting that. So today I'm actually filmed this makeup look right here. I wore it recently to a 50th anniversary party that was formal, and I really liked it, and I feel like it's kind of like a modern kind of 20s kind of thing, not totally 20s, but sort of like a kind of modern like silent black and white film star kind of vibe. Anyways, I mainly used a couple of things from the Snow White collection from Besame. This palette is no longer available, but the shades that I used in it you can find in other palettes that you may have laying around. And then I just used the Snow White red on the lips. This is still available right now. So yeah, that's about it. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. So we're starting out with the Pixi by Petra Flawless Beauty Primer. I love this because it gives a really pretty glow to the skin, but it doesn't leave it looking oily. And then I'm going to top it off with a foundation by Beauty Bakery. It is their Cake Mix Demi Matte Foundation, and I am in the shade 41. I use this foundation for special occasions because it is a little bit heavier of a foundation, and I just thin it out with the Beauty Bakery Wake and Bake Baking Oil for Face. If you'd like a full review on this, let me know down in the comments and I will do a full review. Next up, I am using the CoverGirl True Blend It's Lit Concealer. I don't remember the shade, it's not on the packaging, but I will check on that and link it down below. To set my foundation and concealer, I am using the Touch Behold Translucent Setting Powder from Unique. Next up, I'm going to bronze my skin with another product from Unique. It is their Beachfront Bronzer in the shade Sunset. I'm going to use this as a true bronzing product instead of contouring. I do put a little bit on my neck and chin, but for the most part, I'm just kind of using it to warm up the skin. Gotta fix those bangs, get the hair situated. After that, I am using the Balm Beach Balm Blush in Balm Beach. For my eyebrows, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Caramel. I will show you on one eyebrow how I fill my eyebrows in. I do have a whole video on some eyebrow tips, so I will link that below. But for now, just enjoy the show. That we're going to use is White as Snow, so any matte white or slightly shimmery white shadow will work. After that, we are going into the Fairest. This is a shade that's really close to my natural skin tone. It's just a little bit deeper, so I'm just kind of putting that on as a nice transition and building up the color. Next, I am going into the Huntsman. This is a shimmery gray tone, and I am going to work this all over the lid and wing it out and into the crease. So as you'll see, I'm just going to be working on the shape till I get it perfected. And I'm going in again with the Ferris just to smooth out any harsh lines, and then I will go in again with Huntsman and get the depth and the shape on the eye that I'm looking for. I'm also adding the Huntsman to my lower lash line just to kind of continue that kind of nice like 20s smoky modern look. Next, I'm going in with White as Snow and the yellow shade Destiny on my inner corner. I just kind of liked the way it looked. It was just kind of a fun modern addition to the eye. Next up, I'm using an eyeliner from Makeup Geek. The shade is Obsidian. It's a black liner. I'm going to use this to tight line and slightly smudge along my upper lash line. And as you will see by the end, I also have it on a little bit on my waterline on the lower lash line. I'm using the CoverGirl Peacock Flair Mascara. I think the shade is Extreme Black. This stuff is okay. It does really fan out my lashes, but it does not do anything to lengthen them. For lips, I am starting with the Jaunt Blue, I think is how you pronounce it, Spice Lip Liner. I'm using this just to perfect my lip line and kind of create a natural shadow. And then I will be using the Besame Snow White Red lipstick to fill my lips in. A quick side note, my camera stopped filming, so at this point I missed when I used the red shade Apple from the eyeshadow palette as a blush topper. I really like the way it looks on top of the blush. And then I also added from the Balm the Mary Luminizer highlighter on my cheeks and Cupid's bow. And here is the final look all put together. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching.